Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a microwave splatter cover. Before this thing, I usually would just take some paper towel and throw it over my leftovers and put it in the microwave, but always ended up leaving like food stuck to the paper towel and getting food splatter all over the microwave anyway. So this thing helps take care of all of that. So it does a really good job at actually keeping the microwave clean and making my food heat up evenly. So you can see it does expand. So it fits over your food and creates a nice dome really easily. Has a nice wide base. So I think it can hold plates up to about 10.5 or so inches. Some of my larger plates, they were kind of tight to fit in there, but they did actually fit. It's kind of cool because you can actually use this bottom base as a plate carrier. So, you take your stuff out of the microwave, and if it's too hot, you can just keep it right in this and not have to worry about hands getting burned. And then, so just as a quick demo, you can see here I microwaved some leftover Mexican food. And as I took it out of the microwave, you can see all the steam coming out of the top air vent holes. So that made it really nice because it kept my food from drying out while still allowing some of that excess moisture to escape. And it's also really cool that it is made out of BPA-free plastics and silicones. So it makes me feel better actually putting it in the microwave. And it's supposed to be heat resistant up to about 460 degrees, 465 degrees, something around there. And it's really nice that when you're done using it, you can go ahead and throw it in the dishwasher because it is dishwasher safe. Once you take it out, you go ahead and collapse it down and it's easy to put away. Another thing to point out with it that's pretty cool, because it's in two pieces and has these holes at the lid, you turn it upside down, that's at the bottom. But you can use it as a colander also. So for rinsing off fruits and vegetables, it works good for that. People say I haven't actually used it for that, but I can see that working. So it's a pretty simple thing. So out of the box, it just comes kind of plastic wrapped with the two pieces. Pretty simple there. So yeah, overall, guys, it's a really simple product, but it does a really good job at helping me to keep my microwave clean. I did read that some people had problems with the base warping. I haven't had that problem. So for me, it's definitely a solid buy and definitely worth it just to help keep the microwave clean and to keep paper towel off of my food.